Millions of people buy Weed and Feed every year. The biggest problem is that it is designed in a way that makes one half of the product ineffective every single time you use it. Most homeowners buy it because it sounds like the perfect solution. Kill weeds and feed the lawn at the same time. One product, one application, less work. The problem is that lawn care does not work that way. In fact, once you understand how Weed and Feed actually works, you will probably never buy it again. And the crazy part is that the alternative is simpler, cheaper, and far more effective. All you need are two products: a selective liquid weed killer and a dedicated lawn fertilizer. That is it. The weed killer is designed to target broadleaf weeds without harming the grass. Look for active ingredients such as MCPA, Macoprop P, or fluroxypyr. These ingredients are absorbed through the leaves and travel down into the root system, killing the weed from the inside out. For the best value, buy the concentrated version and apply it with a basic garden sprayer. The second product is a dedicated lawn fertilizer that is high in nitrogen. Nitrogen is the nutrient responsible for strong growth and deep green color. Applied correctly, it helps the lawn become thicker, healthier, and more competitive against weeds. Two products, applied separately, each one doing its job properly. Now, here is why Weed and Feed struggles to deliver the same results. The first problem is that the product works against itself. Weed and Feed combines fertilizer and herbicide into the same granule. That sounds convenient. But fertilizer and herbicide need completely different conditions to work effectively. Fertilizer needs moisture. Water helps dissolve the nutrients and move them into the soil where the roots can absorb them. Herbicide needs the opposite. It needs to stick to dry weed leaves and remain there long enough to be absorbed. Think about that for a second. One part of the product needs water. The other part needs dryness. You cannot optimize both conditions at the same time. So every time Weed and Feed is applied, one side of the product is working under less than ideal conditions. You are paying for two jobs, but neither one is being performed as effectively as it could be. The second problem is unnecessary herbicide application. When you spread Weed and Feed across the entire lawn, you are applying herbicide everywhere, even in areas where there are no weeds. Perfectly healthy grass receives the same treatment as the weeds you are trying to eliminate. That is not efficient. With a liquid selective weed killer, you can target only the weeds that actually need treatment. Less product, better precision, better results. The third problem is lawn stress. Weed and Feed contains fertilizer and herbicide together. If the product is applied unevenly, which is surprisingly common, some sections may receive higher concentrations than others. That can increase the risk of stress, discoloration, or fertilizer burn. By applying the products separately, you stay in complete control of both applications. Now, let me show you the process that actually works. Step 1. Apply a dedicated lawn fertilizer across the entire lawn. Use a spreader for even coverage. If rain is not expected within the next day, water the lawn lightly after application. Step 2. Wait for the grass to dry completely. This is one of the most overlooked steps in lawn care. If weed killer is sprayed onto wet leaves, the water can dilute the product and reduce absorption. A dry surface gives you much better results. Step 3. Mix your selective weed killer according to the label instructions and apply it directly to the weeds. Focus on coating the leaves. Avoid spraying on windy days. And do not mow for at least 3 days afterward. The weed needs time to absorb the herbicide and transport it down into the root system. Within 1 to 2 weeks, most weeds will begin to yellow, wilt, and die. Meanwhile, the surrounding grass remains unaffected. And there is one final benefit that many homeowners overlook. A thick lawn is one of the best weed control tools you can have. Dense grass blocks sunlight from reaching the soil surface. Without enough sunlight, many weed seeds struggle to germinate and establish themselves. In other words, a healthy lawn starts preventing future weeds before they even appear. That means fewer treatments, less work, and better results over time. Now, I am curious. Have you ever used Weed and Feed? And were you happy with the results? Comment lawn below and tell me your experience. And if you know someone who still uses Weed and Feed every year, share this video with them. It could save them a lot of money, time, and frustration.